say goodbye to one of our teams. They fought a good fight.
Goodbye, Lynette's gals.
And covered up.
Okay. Our first elimination of night 3 will be Chris and Robin from the Gugurt family. Then we have the piecing by the age of perfection. Next we have James S. from Goon Bankers. Then we have Jane Cordingley, bitter with age. Next we have Ken Esslinger from Tuscany Vines. Now we have Trevor Horvath by the Wolf Pack. Next we have Chris Horn from I've Got Your Malbec. Now we have Shelly B. Rose all day. Next we have Pat from Wine Winners. Next we have Mark Lord Cochran Finest. Next we have Jennifer Kimmel from the Happy Ending Squad. Now we have Pascal Richard by Pickled Moose. Next we have Jocelyn T from Blue Monday. Now we eliminated Melanie Ferguson by the
AC Ladies.
AC
Melanie
Ladies.
Ferguson.
Next we have Sandy Nesbitt from the Cardiac Corks. Now we have Jeremy and Melanie Gukert family. Next we have Shyla Esslinger from Fine Wine. Next we have Justin and Nicole Gugert family once again. Next we have Mark Goulet, Pickled Moose. Now we have Bonnie McDougall, Flying High. Next we have Damon Tanzola from Cochrane Finest. Next we have Nick Fleet, the Happy Ending Squad. Next we have Chris Horn, Zin It to Win It. Next we have Mike Hansen, Vino Vibes. Vino Vibes. I don't know what that's. Next we have Cindy Burrows from G Money. Jennifer Camille Sips Hooray Hooray Norsis.
Sip, sip, hooray, Nosaurus.
Next we have Ann Winter from Big Winners. Not Ann. Oh! Go. Alana Hansen, Cardiac Course.
Okay, last two.
Last two we each do one?
Yeah.
Jane Saunders from AC Ladies. And our final elimination of the night is
Final
Dun, 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 dun. J. McMillan Vinyl Vibes. Vinyl Vibes.
Vino Vibes.
Vino Vibes.
And that concludes night 3. We'll
Thank
see you tomorrow night.
for watching.